So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Chemcon share as well as Mezagon Dock share. So both of the stocks today, they have given some good movement. So currently they are fluctuating between 5% and 6% since the market is also having little bit of volatility. So their percentage wise variation is seen. So today morning itself, we have discussed about Chemcon share. So what can be done since many people were having queries regarding Chemcon share that they have bought at high levels. So they were in panic situation, what to do. So clearly in the past week itself we have discussed about Chemcon share. So we have discussed the complete fundamentals of the company and also we have discussed the various bulk deals that happened in the company. So if you have not watched the video, definitely watch it. So in that clearly we discussed the drawbacks as well as what are the current advantages also for the company. So today we'll again discuss about Mezagon Dock as well. So we'll see what are the updates on both these companies and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. And if you have not joined the Telegram group, definitely join that as well. I'll provide the link in the description. And people are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that one day back regarding Chemcon share, so there was an update regarding that. The CRISIL, which is a rating agency, which has updated its long-term rating from BB plus stable from BBB stable to BBB plus. So it has upgraded a little bit of the rating and it has suggested a hold on this particular stock. So we know that from the listing day itself we have seen continuous downtrend. On the listing day also we have seen the lower circuit. So after that continuous insider trading was seen. So that also we have discussed. So from that level, so many people were having panic situation that what can be done since when they buy at high levels in hoping of more profit, so they exit in loss. So that what happens with most of the retailers. So that was the main query that we have addressed in our previous videos. So currently we'll see is there any possibility of reversal. So we'll compare with the charts and also we'll see the volume analysis whether actually traded quantities present or deliverable quantities are increasing on day-to-day basis. So if we see the volume analysis of Chemcon share, so what can you understand seeing the volume analysis? So currently you are seeing decrease in deliverable quantity and increase in traded quantity. So can you tell this is a good sign? So definitely it is not a good sign. So whenever heavy traded quantity is present, it implies that operator game is present. So what is happening in this? So they're buying at low levels, again they're taking to high point, again selling will be seen. So you can observe that. So whenever you see Chemcon heavy buying is present, so let's say it gone to 7 to 8%. So after that what happens? So profit booking will start from 8%, it will fall to 4%, 3%. So that is what is called trading. So that is what is happening in this particular stock. You can compare even the market depth. So if you go to the market depth, so first you will see almost 90% buying will be present. So when it reaches 8%, 7%, again the buying will reduce to 50%. So that is what the buying is reducing. So they're taking quick profits and they're exiting. So that is what is happening in this stock. So actual deliverable quantity is not seen. So the true intention of believing in this company, that is adding into the demat account, so that is not seen, which is the one major drawback. Okay, so the insiders who are doing the trading, so rigorous trading is being seen rather than holding it for a certain period of time. So that is not happening. So that is why any investment firms is not willing to invest in Chemcon. So this is one drawback for the company and it is still continuing since the past trading sessions. So when the quarter results will be declared, so that only should hope that the stock to continue its upward move. Okay, so rather than investing at heavy levels, you need to understand that traded quantity is heavy, so you need to patiently wait and watch. Okay, so rather than holding it a specific period of time, you can also take quick profits and exit. So that is safe in this particular stock. So if we see the technical chart, so clearly you can understand. So this is the 1 day chart. So from 1 day chart, clearly you can understand continuous downtrend was seen. Again, recovery was seen. Again, downtrend. So currently it has respected the 400 rupees level. 405 rupees level is clearly being respected without any further downfall. Okay, so since it is being respected, so you need to take it as a strict support for entry. And currently you can see it is near 438 and it is almost 8% positive, approaching 8%. So big volume is seen, and also if we see money flow index is not present because it is a recently listed stock, so we can't see any indicators. So directly we need to follow the candlestick patterns to have a quick view of the support. So people have invested high level, so let's say 500 plus, 600 plus. So don't do any sort of additional information, additional stocks. Don't average it, just hold it patiently, let it settle down little bit. So let the traded quantity completely reduce. So keep an eye on the deliverable quantity. So let the deliverable quantity increase, and also let the traded quantity reduce. So then only you can enter at this particular stock. So wait patiently. I'll update that as well in the Telegram section. So people are already having shares near 500, 600. Definitely you can hold it. Don't do any sort of selling. Don't book loss right now. So we'll discuss what can be done in next videos when the deliverable quantities as well as traded quantity is reducing. So currently we are seeing little bit of trading is present. So don't invest in heavy quantities. If you want to give a try, invest in small portions. So that will be the best idea. So next, when we discuss about Mazagon Dock. So Mazagon Dock is a good quality stock. So PSU stock, so nothing much to panic in it. Even if you're invested at any particular level, so you should not have any panic situation. So it is a decent stock. And if you see what are the updates on it, so we know that yesterday itself we got an update regarding Scorpion class submarine from Mazagon Dock. It has received another submarine order that is almost to Indian Navy. That is fifth Scorpion submarine, almost in 6 months time frame. So many submarines are being ordered by the Indian Navy. So of course it will be the order for the government company. So that's why it has been benefited. And we know that after the listing day itself, we have seen little bit of profit booking was present, but later it has respected the levels, and again it has started retracing with good amount of buying. So we'll see what can be the next possible levels as well. We'll go to the technical charts. So why Mazagon Dock is being benefited in this particular period of time? So we know that Make in India slogan is being running. So anything, any equipment or any submarine that should be manufactured is from the Mazagon Dock. So clearly you can see the company has also given statement that it has even exported. So Ion export. So when exporting is also taking place, it has exported till now 243 ships till date, and also it is planning to increase that rate, since now exporting is also becoming very important. So this is the key player. Even Mr. Saxena has also added that the capacity is being increased to almost 11 submarines and 10 ships at a time. So manufacturing process also speeding up regarding the exporting as well. So that is why, since when all these positive news have come, so and also market stability has also we know that currently it's in little bit of positive trend, so that's why it has supported the stock. So today we have seen good positive movement. So nothing panic in this particular stock. So you can definitely hold this particular stock. You can hold it even for the long term. So if you see the technical charts of Mazagon Dock, so clearly you can see it is near 174.05 rupees. So and it is almost 4.82% positive. So clearly you can see a pattern is being formed here. So this is 1 day chart. So clearly it has respected the 165 rupees level. Almost 3 times it has touched that particular level, and it has shown the retracement. So next, if we definitely you need to hold this particular strong. So quick resistance for this would be near 178 rupees. So that should be given a movement. So from that then we can see further movement. So for that, market movement also need to be in positive side. So generally when we discuss about these stocks which are recently listed, so they're completely being dependent on the market sentiment. So when the market is in bullish sentiment only, these particular stocks are given good positive movement. So Mazagon Dock, nothing much to panic. Definitely you can hold it. So when we see the volume analysis of Mazagon Dock, so we've not discussed about that. So clearly in the volume analysis, you can see on 20 October, you can see 42.4% deliverable quantity was seen. So clearly you can see this is what is saying: decrease in traded quantity, increase in deliverable quantity. Definitely it is a good sign. So in the previous one, Chemcon, it is in opposite side. So in this, you can see that trade quantity is reducing and deliverable quantity is increasing. So that is good sign. That's why it has given some good positive movement. And also, since the trade quantity is reducing, definitely you can hold this particular stock, and if you want to have a fresh entry as well, definitely you can enter, but maintain that you need to have strict stop losses without any excess greed. So hope everything is clear regarding the technicals of Mazagon Dock as well as Chemcon share. So we have discussed what are the updates on it, and also we have seen the volume analysis where clearly we are understanding that little bit of traded quantity is reducing in Mazagon Dock, but in Chemcon we are seeing little bit of increase in traded quantity. So you need to decide which stock you want to invest, fresh investment, and people have got already allotment in both this. Definitely you can hold in both of them, but in Chemcon you need to be little cautious without any additional investment. So hope you liked the video. Definitely like it, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel. So until then, take care. Bye bye.